Hi friends, my name is Navreet Josan. I'm the National Artist for MAC Cosmetics India, and today I'm going to show you how to recreate this eye makeup look to make your eyes look fresh and awake. Since we're gonna do fresh eyes, I'm not gonna go super smoky, so I will be using these tones. So we're gonna place it in the crease. So this hollow, like if you look at the bone, this part right underneath the eye, that's where we're gonna place it. I'm gonna use 217 brush, which was the blending brush. So you can see that this has added some depth as well as color to my eyes. Okay, next, using my smudging brush, I'm going to apply this right underneath my waterline. So starting at the outer corner, because I do want it to be a little bit more bigger and darker. Now I'm going to apply these light peachy colors on the eyelid. So taking these two shades, I'm just going to apply it on my eyes. It's going to give like a really subtle effect. And then I'm gonna top it with a little bit of shine. And I'm gonna go with this shiny color, but you can really pick any frosted, glittery color that you really like, right? So what I'm doing is covering it almost till the center, and I'm stopping here and just blending it with the rest of the color, but not going all over because you want that area to be nice and clean, and also add a little bit to the inner corner. Alright, next, now to add a little bit more definition to my eyes, I'm gonna add a soft eyeliner. I'm gonna go with an angle brush, and I will be using this color right here. So you can go with any dark color and using this one. So what I'm doing is taking the brush and pressing that eyeshadow very close to my lash line. Now to open my eyes a little bit more, I am going to use a white kajal pencil. This one's called Fascinating. To make my eyes look awake, I'm going to use a mascara. This one is Hot and Naughty. So just starting from the roots of the lashes, I'm gonna work my way up. And once you apply your mascara, I guarantee you will feel like you're fresh, you're looking really nice and awake. Alright, I'm done with the other eye, and now I'm going to show you how to add a little bit more brightness to your face. So for that, I'm going to go with a concealer, and I'm just going to apply the concealer underneath my eyes. And this is to be done right after you're done with your eye makeup. Now to finish the look, I'm going to use the same peachy colors from the palette as a blush. On my lips, I had used Stay Curious lipstick, so I'm just gonna top it up. Alright my friends, we're done. So those were my tips on how you can make your eyes look really pretty, fresh, and awake. Do let me know in the comments below if you give this look a try, or if you have any questions, because I would really love to hear from you. Until next time, bye-bye.